Traveler?
Help me! I was attacked by wolves.
Traveler! You woke up! Did you say you were attacked by wolves? It looked like you were shot.
Yeah, the wolves had guns.
Guns?
Anyways, I should get going.
What? But you just got here. You should stay. I'll give you a discount. Meals are included. Hot water, 24/7. Wait, our rooms have the best view. Please. I mean, you're injured, and you can always leave when the weather gets better.
Alright. I'll stay.
Snack time, traveler. Massage service. Bedtime stories. Game night. Snow playing. I'll go get some gloves.
And she had escaped from the gunshot wound. The police are now looking for any information on this female serial killer. She has long dark hair and was last seen in a green winter coat. If you have seen her, please report to your local police. Victim's body has been found.
Why did you lock me outside? What's the matter? I thought we were having a good time.
Who are you?
What do you mean? I'm a snowstorm traveler.
Serial killer is known to be violent and intimidating. By her sweet and innocent nature.
It's so cold out here. Please let me in. What did I do wrong? I'm freezing. Please. I'm going to die.